Hi everyone, my name is Carrie Woodward and I'm a team leader with Usborne Books and More, and today we are going to be talking about some of the science books that are found in our catalog. Alright, we have science books ranging from toddler books all the way up through high school and adult books. So this is a few examples of our first reference book collection, my first reference book about. So there are about 4 of these in this particular series, but just a great introductory reference book to some of the scientific things around us, like our food and how things grow and nature and our world. So just a great introductory reference book for getting some science related information out there to our kids. As they get into elementary school, they're going to have lots and lots of science related questions. So this is 100 things to know about science. Every page is about a different topic, and it is also internet linked so that they can go to the Usborne Quick Links website and find some additional information about the different facts that they're learning in this particular science book. We also have science books written in more of a narrative form. This one is called The Story of Science, and we also have one called The Story of Inventions and The Story of Astronomy and Space. And so this one gives you kind of a history of the different scientific brains that were at work throughout our history and their advances to the science of science. Next up, we have This Is Not a Science Book, but it is. This is a science and art book. It's a consumable kind of book, so they are going to be able to take pages out, draw in here, and work through all of the artistic science-related activities that are present. So just great brain-engaging activities that are science and artistic related. Going off with our artistic related, we have 365 science activities. This one is a mixture of art and activity along with science. All of the activities in this book are going to require things that are typically found throughout your household, and there are 365 activities. So you learn about the history and why these different activities exist, and then you can make your predictions, your hypotheses of what will happen, and it's just a great engaging activity book for science, whether or not it's in your classroom or at your house. Next up, we have a few more pocket books. We had a couple of them in our history video as well, but here are a few more. We have reptiles and predators and ocean animals. Just a great fact book. Each book is $4.99. You get a great picture and lots of little facts about all of the different pages in this book. As we move into more of the history or the science of the dictionaries, the encyclopedias, we have lots of those for you as well. So here is the Illustrated Elementary Science Dictionary, a great reference or supplement for teaching and great for at home as well. So this will take you through some of the major things that are taught at the elementary level for science, as well as give some basic activities for learning about those different ideas and hypotheses and predictions and experiments in science. As they get older and into middle school and high school, we have the Illustrated Dictionary of Science that goes through physics, chemistry, and biology, and it does it in a very beautifully done step-by-step learning format for our middle and high school students that are taking those different courses. So again, an internet linked book where they're going to be able to go to the Usborne Quick Links website and get some additional information. As we move from dictionaries to encyclopedias, these are our first encyclopedias. So these are more basic elementary encyclopedias, not as much content on the pages, but still science related and perfect for adding to your classroom or to your home library if you have a little scientist in your midst. This one is my favorite. This is the Children's Encyclopedia. This goes through history and science related things. It is internet linked by page, so the child gets to go to the Usborne Quick Links website, type in the page that they're on, and again they're going to get 4 or 5 fact-checked credible websites that deal with the exact topic that is being presented on that page. So I highly recommend this one. And then lastly, we have the Big Science Encyclopedia. And again, we have it in hardback form and in paperback form. It is, when you look at it on the website, it says that this one is limited. It is not. It's the same exact content. It's just smaller. So it's just smaller in size. So this one is $19.99, same content as the $40 one, just in a paperback format. And again, internet linked. by page so that you can go into the Quick Links website and pull up additional information on whatever it is that your child is learning about on that particular page. You can see that it also is QR coded, so if your child has the ability to scan the QR codes, that will also bring them to the Quick Links website where they're going to get that extra information. So that's a very small sampling of the science books that we have in our catalog. I hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please reach out. And remember, all kids deserve books. Thanks.